I stored my dahlia tubers in half potting soil and half perlite. And now I'm waking them all up to take cuttings. I wanted to show you Cornell Bronze. I am so impressed with this tuber. I checked for firmness, I got rid of the stem from last year, and I removed all of the old roots. But what I want to show you is look how many eyes this tuber has, this tuber clump. This is so exciting. And I'm waking it up. First I'm putting cinnamon on it for antifungal, and then potting soil, put it in a bag. I'm in a corner closet, and this is what I have. Buttercream, I have an Eddie, Polka, Caitlin's Joy Marn, a big dwarf one. What I mean by big dwarf one is there's quite a bit of tubers for that dwarf one. Another Polka, Just Peachy. I can't say that very well, so I'll just put it on the screen. And then I've got Sebastian, Great Silence, one more. This one is Salmon Runner. Oh, is this one backwards? Gets Crazy, it's huge. Cornell Bronze, Cornell, and Lights Out. And then I have 10 unlabeled tubers that worked, so when I see them bloom, I'll be able to label them, possibly. So this is just for now, and then I have some that I'm ordering, but these are the ones that overwintered well for me. I did have to throw out about 5 that rotted, and that made me really sad, but that's life. So this is a new experiment to me. I know a lot of people do this, but the hardest part about overwintering dahlias is getting the temperature right, getting the moisture right for your zone. So this Just Peachy one, I love it so much. It had too much moisture at the bottom, and I was worried I don't want it to rot. So what I did is I added some fresh, dry potting soil to the top to kind of even out that moisture. And this one seems to have a lot of moisture on it too. So let's go in there and see if it feels dry. And then I am going to kind of pull the tuber out. I know I just recently put it in there, but it feels fine. It feels good. So you need to still check on your dahlias, even if they're waking up. It's just, they're kind of divas. They're drama queens, aren't they?